Hello student. Today we will use the video to explain how to solve this trigonometry function tutorial. So as you can see, we have these two graphs in question 1. Okay, one graph started at the origin. Okay, one graph started at the 3. Okay, so for graph started at origin, okay, this will be your sin graph. Okay, so for graph start with the any point of the origin, that will be your cos graph. Okay, and then the range, okay, is 7 and negative 7, and this is 3 and negative 3. Okay, so for the for the complete shape of graph, okay, so this is a complete shape of graph, a shape. Okay, this is a complete shape of graph of cos graph. Okay, so as you can see, your complete shape take up to 180 degree. Okay, the complete shape of this cos graph take 90 degree. Okay, so if you want to calculate for the graph, I already say A graph is sin, B graph is cos. Okay, sin, cos. So maximum is 7. This one is maximum is 3. So 3 cos and 7 sin. Okay, and then how to calculate the k? So this is how you calculate your k. Okay. Okay, so we are using 180 degree. Okay, and 2 times the period, okay, over the k, 2 times 180 degree over k. So your k is 2, okay, 2x. So for 90 degree, okay, 2 times 180 degree divided by k, so your k is 4. Okay, so by using formula. So if you don't want to use formula, you can also look from the graph. The complete shape of S until 360 degree, you have 2 curves. Okay, up to 360 degree, you have 1 curve, 2 curve. So this one also give you 2x. Okay, so complete up to 360 degree. So up to 100 degree, 80 degree, okay, you can see is already have got 2. So if up to 360, so you got 4 times. So you can do this as well, right? And then the period is one complete shape is 180. The period is 90 degree. Okay, so this is question number 1. Question number 2, change to radian. Okay, and then leave your answer in pi. So the formula is okay, pi over 180 degree, time theta. Okay, and radian to degree is 180 degree over pi times theta. Okay, so this is a question answer for second question. Okay, so the third question you need to use a special right angle triangle. No, sorry, this one is you should use a right angle triangle. Okay, so by using right angle triangle, okay, you manage to get all the side, then you were able to get all the point. So the sin graph, the sin triangle, okay, give you opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So you need to find the adjacent. Okay, so the adjacent will be 3. Okay, so by using that, you can get your cos theta. Your cos theta will be, okay, adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So catois, right? Remember, so catois. So cosecant, okay, look at the third alphabet. Cosecant, okay, is 1 over sin. Okay, so 1 over 4 over 5, you get 5 over 4. Okay, tangent 90 degree minus theta, okay, will be equal to your cotangent theta. So this one is also in your slide, okay? So you can check how to get this tangent 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, okay? So cos theta is 1 over tangent. So the answer is 3 over 4. Or you can directly get from this angle. Okay, so 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta is actually is the angle above. So to find tangent is opposite is 3, adjacent is 4. Okay, so you can use this way to find also. So that is question number 3. Okay, so question number 4, they want you to find tangent 120 without using that calculator. So you convert it to 60 because special right angle triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. So 120 you can convert it to double angle 60 degree. Okay, so tangent 60, tangent 2 theta. So this one is a formula for tangent 2 theta, okay, which is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. Okay, again, okay, tangent 2 theta is equal to tangent 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. Okay, so you fill in the tangent 60 degree. Right? Tangent 60 degree is pi or is square root 3. Okay, so you can get the answer also. Okay, all right, so okay, very quickly we go into question 5. Okay, question 5 is a proving question. So as a proving question, you have to change all your chord, okay, coset, okay, secant and tangent, everything in sin and cos. Okay, to easily how to say prove the question. Okay, so first of all, we change the chord to cos over sin, and tangent 2 theta is sin 2 theta over cos 2 theta. Okay, always refer to the right hand side. Okay, the right hand side is the theta in term of 2x. So it means that your cos x and sin x you have to, okay, this cos x and sin x you have to eliminate. Okay, and then you have to remain. What should you need to remain? Okay, this one you have to remain. Okay, so cos 2x you have to remain, because why? Because secant 2x is equal to 1 over cos 2x. Okay, so this one you have to remain. So you see, I never change the cos 2x. I will keep the cos 2x. Okay, so I will change the rest. Okay, so I will change the sin 2x. Then after that I eliminate the denominator. Then I make this into one fraction, okay, with the cos 2x as a denominator. Okay, then I can find out that I can use double angle formula, okay, relate to cos square theta. What is it? It's cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so your 2 cos square x is cos 2x plus 1. So by doing so, you may manage to prove the equation, right? Okay, so let's just go to question number 6. Okay, they want you to solve this in this given integer, in this given interval. So tangent theta is very simple. You just use calculator to calculate, and then remember that. Okay, so the tangent theta, okay, you have okay, two quadrant which is positive, quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Okay, so remember, all science teachers are crazy. Okay, so once you get the first quadrant answer from the calculator, so the third quadrant you are using 180 degree plus theta. So that is how you get 196.70. Okay. Okay, and then question number B. Okay, you have 2 sin x plus cos x equal to 0. Okay, so sin and cos you can divide, change to tangent. So use a basic angle to find the tangent. Okay, and then because they are up to 180 degree, and then if you notice that, okay, your tangent is positive. Sorry, the tangent is negative. Okay, so negative is your second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. So that's why second quadrant is using 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so that's how you get 153.43. And then question number C. Okay, so this one you need to change it to quadratic. Okay, so quadratic. And then okay, so sin theta equal to 1 and sin theta equal to -1. Okay, theta equal to 1, you have 90 degree, okay, which is pi over 2, and also the 3 pi over 2. Okay, so you can also change the pi to a decimal number. Okay, so you can test every angle. So pi over 2, and you will get pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Okay. Okay, question number 7. Okay, this one a lot of students asking how to do. So actually very simple. Okay, so this 6x will be your P. Okay, 2x will be your Q. So this 8x, you make it become 2 times 4x. Okay, 2 times 4x. So you're using the factor formula for sin P plus sin Q. Okay, sin P plus Q, okay, equal to, okay, 2 sin cos. Okay, 2 sin cos. Okay, 2 sin cos. Okay, so this is how you get this 6 cos plus q plus p plus q over 2, p minus q over 2. Okay, and then after that you change the 8x to 2 times 4x, then use the double angle formula. Then you will find that the sin 4x is the same, then you can factor out. And after that you apply another time of factor formula. Okay, cos plus cos is 2 cos cos. Then only you will be able to prove. Okay, so after you have proving this, you need to find the angle. So you can factor out all this already. And then sin 4x equals 0, cos 3x equals 0, and also 4 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so the question only want you to find until until the first quadrant. Okay, however, when you have 4 times, you have to time the angle given 4 times. Okay, so the sin for x is up to 360 degree. Okay, so say cos 3x up to 270. Okay, only this one up to 90 degree. So that's why you see only one angle only. Okay, so this one, okay, got two angle. Okay, for this one, for sin equals 0, you're able to get three angle which is equal 0, 0, 180 and 360. This one you can use the graph, okay, to determine all the 0. Okay, so 0, 0, and then 160, and another one is 360. Okay, use the graph. Okay, so 0, 180, 360. Okay, so for this one cos graph, okay, 0 is 90 degree, and okay, so this one, okay, 90 degree and 270. Okay, so question number 8, this one is in your intensive. Okay, so very simple. This one you just need to use the compound angle for cos. So cos minus is cos cos plus sin sin, and then you compare both sides, then you'll be able to get sin and cos, and then you divide these two equations, manage to eliminate the r. Okay, eliminate the r, so get tangent alpha. So find the alpha in radian. So some students asking, can we use degree or not? Okay, the answer is no, because the question given you in terms of radian, right? And then equation 1 square plus equation 2 square, right? The motive is to eliminate the alpha, left your r capital. So that is how you get this equation. Then after that, right, sin, okay, if you have sin and cos, you cannot get the angle. But now you have reduced it, only have one cos, so you just find the angle for cos theta, okay, using your calculator. So cos theta, okay, equal to 2 over 5. So this is two angle from the first round. Okay, why got another 2? Okay, because if only x, okay, equal 1 round. So if 2x, okay, equal 2 round. Okay, equal 2 round. So how to get the angle at the 2 back angle? So very easy. You just 2 pi plus theta, right, for the first angle. And then 2 pi plus another theta for the fourth quadrant. Okay? And then if you have 3x, so how? 3x is you go 3 round. So 3 round is, third round is 4 pi plus theta. And then for first quadrant, and then another one for fourth quadrant is 4 pi plus theta, and so on. And then if you look at this question number C, okay, so regardless what is the angle inside the cos, so we always look at the coefficient in front of the cos. So the coefficient is 5, so the maximum is 5 and negative 5. Okay, and then plus 4, you move the graph up 4 units. Okay, so that is how you get 4 minus 5, you get minimum point negative 1, and 4 plus 5, right, you get maximum point is 9. Okay, so question number 9. Okay, so this one they want you to use tangent theta over 2 equal to t. Okay, so you change this using the right angle, okay, and then you use the Pythagoras theorem to find the r. Okay, so if you don't want to find the right angle triangle, I always ask the students to remember this. Okay, this one you see is 1, okay, it's minus, right? So this one will be r squared plus 1. Okay, so you have to remember the double angle for theta lah. So tangent theta equal to 2 tangent half theta over 1 minus tangent square half theta over 2. Then only you can substitute t. Then you substitute all the t value, you will be able to prove. So then you substitute into b to find the angle. So after that, you find that your t is 3 over 4. So tangent theta over 2 is 3 over 4. Okay? And then why is only one angle? Because although your x is from 0 to 360 degree, and then half of the angle is only go up to 180 degree. So for tangent positive, is all from first and second quadrant, only at the first quadrant which is positive. Okay, so that's why they only get the basic angle only. Okay, so question number 10. Okay, so this is a PSS question. Right, the water is 15 high tide, 7 as a low tide. So 1 second complete tide is every 12 hours. Right? So if the tide can model by general equation y equal to a cos kx plus q. Okay, so where x is hour past noon and y is the height of the tide. So what is the equation of the tide? So we have maximum, okay, minus minimum over 2. So this is the formula. We get A. Okay, the formula to get Q is maximum plus minimum over 2. Then your Kx is using 2 pi over 12 hours. Okay, so this is how you get it. So this one question is a bit difficult because it's application question. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial today. So thank you, class, and have a nice day.